Ever notice how cats sound totally different with humans than with other cats? That's because cats can make over 100 different sounds, and many of them are designed just for us. Meows, chirps, trills, squeaks. Adult cats rarely meow at each other, but they do meow at humans. Over time, they learn which sounds get food, attention, or a reaction. Each tone can mean something different: asking, complaining, greeting, or demanding. Some cats even develop their own personal language with their owner. So when your cat talks non-stop, they're not being noisy, they're having a full conversation with you.